we're gonna make everybody's favorite food from India, Aloo Tikki. Kaseho, India. Aloo Tikki is a very famous food in India that runs through all the streets of India. Alright, and then people really love it. So today we're gonna make Aloo Tikki, a very famous food from India. Let's quickly take a look of our ingredients. Alright, so I have my rice flour here. I'm gonna use about 5 to 6 tablespoons of rice flour. So I have it here. 1 tablespoon of salt. I have my parsley leaves here. You can use coriander leaves if you want. 2 chopped green pepper here too. And then some red chili flakes. This is ghee, and then we're gonna be using to fry our Aloo Tikki. Lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of lime also into it. This here, that here, that here. I boiled my potatoes and put it inside the fridge because you want your potatoes to cool down before you even start grating or mashing it. Let's quickly grate our potatoes. Now we're gonna add our parsley leaves in here. I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes in here. 2 tablespoons of green chili. And this is the trick, the rice flour is actually the one that is gonna bind the potatoes together, okay? So I'm gonna take some of the rice flour. And then squeeze some lemon juice. Now we're gonna make a dough out of it. And then a tikki kind of a dough, okay? I've rubbed my hands with the help of a ghee, and then I'm gonna make a dough to flatten it. Roll it gently to get a uniform size. Okay, see? Very uniform. You can choose to mash or grate the potatoes. By grating the potatoes is going to add a magic to the texture of the potatoes as it squeezes out the water content in the potatoes. Alright, so now we're gonna shallow fry this, and then we're gonna fry it in a very low heat, okay? But before that, we check to see if our oil is ready. Once you hear the sizzling sound, that means it's ready, and now you can go ahead with your Aloo Tikki. Please try not to touch it. Keep it fried for about 5 to 6 minutes before you touch it, okay? You can see the underneath has fried enough. Alright, so that is how we get our crispy Aloo Tikki. As you can see here, they are very crispy, but please be very conscious about your heat anytime you're frying it, because any little mistake can make them burn. Until then, our next food.